Hey, how's going? Got something really exciting that we've just put on the truck. It's our Clearview powerboard. So without any further ado, I'll give you a quick look at them. So obviously when you've got 35s on and you're jumping in and out of this truck and you're 150 years old like SB and I are, it's a bit of a step to jump up into the truck every day. And some jobs we're in and out all day, you know, if you're following gear around or pulling up on site, talking to people, things like that. So we got talking to Casey at Opposite Lock and got ourselves a set of these Clearview power boards. We already had the Clearview rear mirrors Gen 2. They've been amazing. You can see all the scratches and stuff on from blowing through the bush, and yeah, we haven't had any trouble with those either. So yeah, but these power boards, they're killer. So you just, when you undo the door, down they come. So you basically drop from this point to that point is about 270 millimeters that it steps down, and yeah, bit over halves the distance to jump up into the truck. And yeah, so they're bloody awesome. They've got clearance lights on them as well, if you're into all that. You can see the clearance lights there just as you turn it on. So when you go to get in, the clearance lights show you the way to get in and out. They just fold up really quick. I think they're awesome. I'm addicted to them already. It's you go and put all these big wheels on and suspension lifts and things like that, and yeah, and then you go, when you get the logistics of when you get it to, you know, using it every day and then taking it to work, you got to be able to jump in and out of it, you know. Really good brackets underneath, like it's just hooked up, so solid there, and yeah, awesome bit of kit. Nice big brackets on them. Yeah, really solid design. I'm 117 kilos and I don't flex them at all, like when I'm jumping in and out. And it's funny, the first time when I got out of it after Casey had installed them over there at Opposite Lock, I went to step out. You just step straight onto them. They just seem to be the right spot for where you're about to put your foot and then step down and out. So yeah, no, they're killer. If you've got any questions about them, just ask me. We haven't had them on long, so yeah, we can't tell you anything that we don't know yet. So we'll yet to see the reliability of them. But if they're anything like the Clearview mirrors, I think they're going to be amazing. So yeah, if you've got any questions, just drop a comment down below and we'll answer it for you and go from there. All right, from me and Sherry, me and SB, chowdy bye.